welcome to my channel. I'm going to shuffle cards for Virgo. What will happen in Virgo life in 2025? Let's spread the card and see what can I predict for you. Virgo 2025, what's happening in Virgo life? Cards, please tell me. Okay, I got two cards already. 4, 5, 7. First card is very important, and let's see what first card I got it for you. Ten of Wands. You are having some kind of burden, some kind of pressure is there, and you will try to make it balance. You will try to come out from it. Then we have a Knight of Wands. You you are running forward, you are moving forward, and you just want to make balance in some areas of your life, and you don't want to follow one area. You just want to uh, achieve everything. You want to balance everything. You want to get everything, and for that you are just running and trying to be very smart. Okay, then you have a King of Cups. So you are, just as I told you, that you are trying to balance something. You are just trying to achieve something, and which is making you continuously confused, and you are puzzled about it. So I think in this year you have some kind of motto, some kind of plans which you really want to achieve. Then you have the Hierophant, and yes, uh, you you want to make union with some people, and you want to join someone. You want to be with someone. You want to achieve someone. You want a place where things are stuck, whether it's your work area, whether it's your relationship, family matters, but you want union. You want to be a place where you hold something, where you become head of your family, of your office, of someone, but you want to get a good place in somewhere. Then you have Wheel of Fortune. So things are more stable for you, better for you, and it's more easy and convenient from last past year. Then you have Page of Cups. You are creative, you are changed, you are upgraded, and you definitely doing some work which is creative, or you might be very creative. You are doing creative thing, and you want to create something, and yes, you want to come out from that waiting phase, from upset phase, and you are chilled. Then you have the Empress. So hmm, yes, you are beautiful. You are exploring beauty of life. You are exploring money. You are exploring new options. You are exploring something new, something beautiful, something beneficial. And maybe if you are married, so you are getting pregnant. If you do not have finance, so you might get finance. You might get something which is beautiful, which is expensive, which will benefit you, which will give growth to you. And you will explore so many good things. You will explore so many new things, colorful things. And then you have Six of Pentacle. You might be getting finance, or maybe you are financing someone. You are doing charity, or maybe you are getting loans from somewhere. But uh, your financial, see, your financial area is getting better, and you will get a good place in your life, and things are more motivated and beneficial for you. And yes, uh, a big change is coming in your life. Your mind, your thought, everything is getting changed. The Magician is there, Success card is there. Again, Seven of Wands. Yes, you are getting better in a way where you are doing more hard work, where you are more stubborn in some areas of your life, and you don't want to lose that. You want to keep doing it. and you, you are behaving, you are doing things like a kid, because you are growing, you are progressing. Then you have the inferior. Yes, you are mature, and you don't want to move on without a proper plan, and you want to recharge your thought area. You want to be sure about everything, then you will take a decision. And you want to recharge everything. You want to recharge yourself, your family, your past, your present, and you want to make another decision, but you want to make sure that everything is charged, everything is at right place, and you are not doing wrong, and you don't want to make any other mistake again. Okay, let's shuffle two cards to see main things. One and two. Okay. Uh, yes. You are coming out from disappointed situation, from a disappointing phase of your life, and you are working hard. You are working hard. It's very clear thing that you are working hard, and you are working on your skill. You are making finance, and the bottom of the deck is five of pentacles. So you are moving on, and you know that you have to move on and you cannot stop. Okay, now let's see the angel message for you. What is angel message for you for this year? 777 number is very important. You are in the flow. Okay, your purpose flows from within you, and everything begin uh, revealed to you. It is part of your purpose, and please be calm to yourself. This was your rating, Virgo, for 2025.